Hello, parents. How are you all today? This is your personal parenting coach, Frazelma Lynn. Hope everyone has had a nice, restful, peaceful weekend. I just wanted to come on and talk to the parents for a few minutes today. First of all, just to remind parents what an honor and a privilege it is to even be a parent. You know, sometimes life gets tough. We forget what an honor and a privilege it is to just be a parent. Whether, you know, you're the biological parent or the adoptive parent, or you're having to co-parent, or you're a foster parent, a grandparent, whatever type of parent you may be, what an honor and a privilege to be a parent. You know, God has given parents that chance to take all the goodness they have inside of them and share it with their little ones, to teach them and to train them how to be the absolute best they can be in life. And sometimes, you know, we forget that part. You know, we get so caught up in all the issues and all the struggles and in all the problems in our lives and then in their lives, and we forget about the honor it is to be a parent. And even though, you know, things sometimes are tough and negative in our lives, we have to realize that because we are parents, we have to learn how to prioritize things and not put everything above our children on the list. Sometimes, you know, we put them on the back burner, and that should not be so. Sometimes we settle for things because, you know, we're so frustrated and we're so, you know, we have so much going on. But I'm here to encourage all the parents today. Let's just wake up. Let's just wake up, be alert, be concerned with whatever's going on with our children. Let us not just sit back and let things happen and say nothing and do nothing. Let's just not allow their childhood to pass us by. Because before you know it, trust me, those years will be gone. They'll be in the past. So let us not just sit by and let those childhood years just pass us by. No, we have to wake up and be alert and be concerned and be involved, be responsible right now with whatever's going on in our child's life. We have to step up to the plate and deal with whatever it is we have to deal with. This right now, this type of movement in my heart is, we don't want to be just any old parent. We don't want to be just any old parent who just lets whatever happen. We don't want to be just any old parent who just sleeps through the day and doesn't show any concern about what's going on with their child. We don't want to be just any old parent that's just given up on their child. Oh, well, whatever, just let... No. What we want to step up to the plate and be that parent that will go out of the way for their child. We want to step up to the plate and be that parent that is always alert and concerned, that's mindful and watchful, and who will do whatever they need to do to help their child be successful and excel. We want to be that parent that makes tough decisions, that works with whomever they have to work with to help their child. And the main point today is we want to be sure that we see the great potential in our children. See the goodness and the greatness in your child. Don't just say mean and negative things to down your child. I understand your life may not have turned out like you wanted it to turn out. That happens, but that doesn't mean that's where you have to stay. You can pick yourself up right now, today, and let your life be better. You can pick yourself up right now, today, and see the potential in your child and help your child's life be better. You don't have to stay where you are if that's not where you want to be. You don't have to stay there. You can do something about it today, right now. See the potential in your child and help your child reach greatness in their lives. You don't have to stay where you are if that's not where you want to be. So let me tell you a story. There was a student that I had an opportunity to work with. I was an administrator. And this student was 7th or 8th grade. I don't remember exactly. A young male. He had made some bad decisions prior to coming to that school. But coming to that school seemed to have given him just, a new outlook on life. No one knew him, so, we didn't have anything to hold against him. He came in clean slate, just like all of our students. And so he made friends and joined in. He was not able to stay at home with his mother based on whatever had happened in the past. He could only see her on weekends. But he flourished well at our school, at least for a few months. And we saw, his teacher and I saw such greatness in him. A wonderful math student. He worked well helping other students understand mathematics. And we encouraged him. And then one day we said to him, you know what, you could be an amazing math teacher because you like the subject, you know it well, and you have this way with helping other students understand. And it just, you saw this glow on him. It's almost as if no one had ever said that to him before. Oh my goodness, he just glowed. That was during the week, and we reminded him, the next day and the next day and the next day, and he helped his teacher out every day in class with his classmates, and it worked out so well. But on the weekend, he, like any other child, went home and told his parents. He told his mom. And for whatever reason, because of wherever she was in life at that moment, the negative words that she said to him crushed him. Her words of, you can't be a teacher. Nobody in our family ever even finished school. What makes you think you can? What makes you think you're going to go to college? Who in the world has that kind of money? How do you think you... Don't let those people put all of that in your head. Those negative words that she said crushed him. On Monday, when we saw him, we didn't know what had happened yet. On Monday, when we saw him, we noticed he was down and sad. But, we tried to cheer him up, just talking like we normally did. His teacher came to me later in the day, and she said, something's not right. Something happened over the weekend. I don't know what happened, but something happened to him. He's not the same person. She said, will you please talk to him and see if we can figure out what's going on? And I made sure on my schedule to, etch out a little time to talk with him that day, and I did. And I said, what's going on? What happened? What happened? Something happened because you left here Friday happy, but you're not today. And I said, just talk to me. Tell me what's going on. And at first he didn't want to, and I kept, prompting, and he finally told me what his mom said. And it crushed him. And from that day on, he did not have that spirit of joy to help. He couldn't see success in his life. He couldn't see him excelling and going beyond others right around him in the community where his mom lived. He couldn't see himself doing better. So parents, I just want to encourage you today. No matter where you are right now in your life, no matter where you are in your heart and in your mind, don't crush your children's dreams. See the great potential in your child and encourage your child. Support your child to reach those dreams. Like I said, you may not have been able to reach your dreams, but that doesn't mean you can't start working on them again. Don't crush your child's dreams. Try to lift your child up. Try to encourage your child to be whatever it is that's in their heart to be. God put a gift in all of us. Let's try to reach the great potential He saw in us and still sees in us. So come on, let's not just be any old parent, but let's be that parent that supports their child's dreams, that parent that can see their child excelling, that parent that makes sure the homework is done, the schoolwork is done, the spiritual work is done, that parent that teaches their child to be a good human being, to help others, to care about others, to do good in the community, that parent that has a heart to see their child do well, to see their child do better than they have done. Don't just settle. Don't just be any old parent. Your child deserves greatness. They deserve greatness from their parent. So let's all strive to be that parent that goes above and beyond, because it is an honor and a privilege to be a parent. And my task at this point in life is to be your personal parenting coach, to help coach you through whatever it is that you and your child are struggling through. I'm here to coach you through. So when you get ready to step up, when you get ready to press forward and to see the great potential in your child, I'm here to help coach you through. Give me a call. But parents, let's step up to the plate. See the great potential in your child and support them, encourage them. You don't have to know anything about whatever that is. It may be way out of your league. That doesn't mean you can't support them. That doesn't mean you can't encourage them. That doesn't mean you can't find the resources to help them, the people to help them. Don't be just any old parent. that gives up on their child, that settles. We're going to step up, and we're going to be that parent that excels, and we will have a plan of excellence for our children. That's what I teach in my coaching. Have a plan of excellence, a vision, and a plan to fulfill the vision. All right, my people, thank you so much for joining. Parents, I'll be talking to you. Just whenever I try to do it on Sundays. I'm trying to find the right day, the right time, so that you all can join in. And it looks like a Sunday evening might be a good time. Thank all of you for joining in the comments. Share this with others who are parents, especially those that are struggling with helping their children, those who are struggling with just life in general and they don't know where to turn or what to do. Please share it with them. Share it with the parents whose children are having trouble in school, whether it be virtual or traditional. Share it with them. Share it with the parents who have lost all hope. Share it with them. Because as a personal parenting coach, I'm here to help them through the tough times so that we can help our children reach their potential. All right, my information for website, membership, one-on-one sessions, all of that will be a part of this live webinar, this live session. Parents, we've got to step up and be that parent with a plan of excellence. Thank you all so much for joining me. Message me if you need to. I'm here to help. All right. Thank you all so much. Bye-bye.